Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Juliana Cooking Channel. So if you're joining me for the very first time today, I want to say welcome to my channel. So today we're making healthy bread with honey bunch. Yeah, we're using honey bunch to make healthy breakfast bread. So in the bowl, you just saw me added my butter, and I added sugar into the bottom, and I mixed it up totally to form a nice batter. Then I added my egg. Apparently I'm adding the egg right now, and after adding these eggs, I'm gonna be mixing everything together, so we could use it for our honey bunches of oat bread. Apparently I used 5 eggs for this recipe. So I'm gonna mix everything thoroughly. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. You just have to be patient. If you have a mixer, you could use a mixer to mix it. I think that would be faster. But if not, you could still use your scapular to mix it, but it's just gonna take a long time to be properly mixed because it needs to be thoroughly mixed, and everything has to be soft and smooth. So it's taking time. I decided to use my mixer because I don't really have much of time um, for trying to mix it with my scapular. So I decided to use my mixer. As you could see, I'm using my mixer to mix sticks, and it's very fast. It's mixing it properly just as I desire it to be. All right, so this is our honey bunches of oats. So pouring these honey bunches of oats in a blending cup, and I'm gonna be blending it just in a while. While I blend it, I'm gonna be putting more, because I'm using 2 cups of honey bunches of oats, um 2 ounces of this cup. So the more I blend it, the more I add honey bunches of oats in my blender. If I put a whole lot, it's just gonna be too much. So I blend it some more. So adding more honey bunch. Add more. So I'm covering it right now, and I'm placing it in the blending machine. So I'm gonna start the blending machine right now to keep blending it. So I'm checking on it to make sure it's well blended, and I think it needs to be blended some more. It's not totally soft or smooth, so I'm blending it some more. Checking on it once again. So I'm savoring the blended honey bunch right now into our egg and butter mixture. So so continue to savor more oatmeal, grounded oatmeal. This recipe is good for breakfast. I tell you, if your kids like oats, like honey bunches of oats, they will love this. Instead of drinking honey bunches of oat like that, you could just make it like this and serve them for the breakfast. That would be very good. You make it into bread and just in the morning they just cut part of it, and use it to eat whatever they want to drink with it, either pap or oatmeal, whatever. And it's very, very good. It's healthy. This is healthy, very, very healthy. Because here we incorporating egg and some other ingredients into it, which makes it absolutely healthy to eat for the kids. So here I'm adding my baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So I'm putting my raisins in our honey bunch. I love raisins so much. That's why I'm using raisins for this recipe. So I'm gonna mix everything together. So here is my baking pan. So I'm greasing this baking pan right now with our butter. You could do that with oil. So I'm trying to grease this baking pan so that when I'm done baking this, it's not gonna stick to the pan. It could easily come off if I want to take it off. If I want to leave it in the pan, it's still okay. So I'm greasing this pan right now with my butter. So I'm pouring mixture into the pan. So I'm gonna bake this in the oven for like 300 degree. All right, so it's ready. This is our bread, oatmeal bread. Oh, this is our honey bunch bread. This looks so soft, it looks so fluffy. You could see how nice it looks. This is our honey bunches of oats bread, and this is looking beautiful. So this is good for breakfast. It's very healthy. It's very tasty as well. So I want you to try this at home, and in the comment section tell me what you found. Bye.